In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the same text to multiple Google Sheets cells. If you ever need to place the exact same word, phrase, or label into several cells at once, Google Sheets gives you a couple of very quick ways to do it. This is especially useful when you're organizing lists, tagging rows, or filling repeated values without having to type the same thing over and over again. First, type your desired text into a single cell. Once the text is in place, copy it using Ctrl+C or Command+C if you're on a Mac. After that, select the cells where you want that same text to appear. There are two ways to highlight your destination cells, depending on how your sheet is laid out. If the cells are all next to each other in one continuous range, simply click and drag your mouse across the block you want to fill. If the cells are separate and scattered in different places, hold down the Control key or Command on Mac and click each individual cell you want to include. This lets you target only the exact cells you need. Once your destination cells are highlighted, press Ctrl+V or Command+V on Mac. Google Sheets will instantly paste the same text into all selected cells at the same time. This is one of the fastest methods when you already know exactly where the repeated text needs to go. Here is also another easy option if your target cells are adjacent in a row or column. Start by typing the text into the first cell and press Enter. Then click that same cell again so it's selected. Move your cursor to the small blue box at the bottom right corner of the cell border. When you hover over it, your cursor will change into a plus sign. Click and drag that small box downward to fill cells below, or drag it across to fill cells in the same row. This is commonly called the fill handle, and it's a simple way to copy the same text into nearby cells without using copy and paste. It works especially well when you're filling a continuous set of adjacent cells. Both methods are quick, and the best one depends on whether your cells are scattered or connected in a straight range. If you are working with non-adjacent cells, copying and pasting is usually the better choice. If you are filling neighboring cells, dragging the fill handle can feel even faster. Thanks for watching.